If O1 is reasoning, the question is how? Similar to how humans work through a complex problem, it makes use of a chain of thought process to break down the question into smaller steps. Many of us have already used such a strategy when prompting earlier models like GPT-4o, telling it, think step by step or take a breath and go line by line. It'll work through the steps, recognize its own mistakes, tries to correct it, tries different strategies, and fine-tunes its approach as needed. In other words, it's not just spitting out answers, it's working through problems in a way that mirrors human reasoning. Now, people were already doing this since we already had a term for it, chain of thoughts, which came out in 2022 by Google Brain researchers. Here's an example of chain of thoughts direct from the paper. John has one pizza cut into 8 equal slices. John eats 3 slices and his friend eats 2 slices. How many slices are left? Chain of thoughts will break this down. First, you'd ask it to identify the total number of slices. The pizza is cut into 8 equal slices. Then, to calculate the number of slices eaten by John and his friend, John eats 3 slices and his friends eat 2 slices. Finally, subtract the total number of slices eaten from the original number of slices to find out how many are left. That's 3 slices. Without chain of thoughts breaking it down into steps, LLMs would just try to predict the most likely token, and in any given request, there often would be just not enough context.